Welcome back, everyone. Fast Food Toy Reviews here. Today we have Lego Racers, sort of eight wonderful looking toys released by McDonald's back in 2009. Let's get them opened up and have a little fun. First up in the set we have the 6x2 Turbo. That's right, 6x2 Turbo. Comes in 3 pieces and this crazy set of stickers right there. There's like 844 stickers there. And it shows where they all go, so each one of these is probably like 20 minutes worth of sticker placement. That's crazy. So basically you got 3 little pieces here, and what you do is you take these and kind of just like Legos, you build it. So you slap these together, and then you grab this piece right here and you slide it on just like so. Get that pushed down properly. And look at that, so now you got this cool little 4x4 or, well, 6x2 turbo monster type vehicle truck thing. The wheels roll along, no pullback feature or anything. The gimmick with this set is just the Lego aspect, the build aspect of this set. And what's really cool are these tires right here are actually kind of rubbery. So that's kind of cool, so they're grippy. Anyway, so check it out. We're going to show you how to place these stickers. You ready? And here it is, all stickered up, all 599.2 stickers that we put on here. You can see I put them on here on the hood and the windows, everywhere. This crazy amount of stickers, it makes it look fantastic. Look at this on the back there. It reads dirty. So you got a little mud sticker right there. Makes it look like he was running through some mud. This is really cool. I like this set so far. This is nice, and I would imagine that you can use all the other toys in this set. So there's 8 total, so you can probably mix and match and make up all kinds of cool looking vehicles. This is awesome. Number 2 in the set is Rally Fire. That's right, that's a cool name. I like it, Rally Fire. And you can see where I put on all the different stickers. It's just, stickers are so much fun. And it takes about 10, 12, maybe 13 minutes, I guess, to put the stickers on. If you take your time, you want to get them right. And that's a big part of this particular set, because you want them to look really cool and you want them to look like they're awesome, like this. That's cool. And let me show you real quick here. So you can see how they all come apart. So each one so far is just 3 pieces, and then you build them just like a regular Lego set. This is kind of cool. And what's really nice is that the tires on these are rubber. So far, both sets so far, number 1 and this one, have rubber tires. So I'm assuming all the rest have rubber tires as well. So there you go. It's the Rally Fire. The next one up is called Curve Cruiser. Curve Cruiser. Looking nice. I like the purple and the yellow. Yellow and purple always go nice together. And you can see where I put all the stickers on, and it looks just fantastic. It doesn't really, if you cover your top up right here, it kind of really doesn't even look like a Lego. It kind of looks like a Hot Wheel car, but then you take this off and then definitely a Lego. What's cool about this one is that you can pop these off and spin these around like this and just make it look a little different, and it all still kind of works. Look at that. You wouldn't even know. The front is the back is the front, and it still looks awesome. And that's it. So there you go. It's the Curve Cruiser. Next up at number 4 is the Circuit Star. That's right, the Circuit Star. So 3 pieces here. We place it together like so. We kind of line it up, squish it together, make sure it's all tight and firm. Then we grab the top part here, place it on, and look at that, all pressed together, and it looks fantastic. Look at this. Oh, the stickers really go with this one. Give an up close look. What is that? 6XZ? That's kind of cool. Turbo on the back. Got a couple of exhaust or light stickers there or something. I'm not sure. But it's got some really cool decals. I really like this one. And again, the tires on it are rubber, which is a really nice detail. I like it. So there you go. It's the Circuit Star. The next one in the set is Lap Star. Lap Star, like lap, L-A-P, sitting on your lap. This is cool. These I like. These toys are just fantastic, I tell you. You know, I just absolutely love Lego sets, and I can tell you, this is no exception. I know they're very simplistic. There's not a lot. There's only 3 pieces to each toy. But you know what? If you like Legos, you're going to pretty much love all of them. And this is no exception. Oh, I just can't get over this. This is going to be on display. This is a set that I will absolutely put out and mess around with from time to time. I love the detail with the stickers, the rubber tires. Look at this thing. It's got like a monster truck, Hummer type vehicle vibe on the back. You got the bed going on. This is kind of cool. I'm really digging this set. So there you go. It's the Lap Star. Number 6 in the set is Easy Rally. That's right, Easy Rally. And we'll pop this one together real quick. Goes together just like so, like a little plastic sandwich. This is cute. And there you go. Look at this thing, huh? Very slick looking. I like the sports cars. They just, I don't know. I used to love going to the races when I was a kid with my grandpa, and we would enjoy all the car rallies and all the different stuff going on. And this reminds me of when I was a kiddo. This thing is so cool looking. You can see all the different stickers I had to put on here. Very nice pinstriping and whatnot. Soft blue, the soft gray, it blends well. Rubber tires. This is a kind of a cool set, I tell you. It's a must-have for a Lego collection. It's a bit novelty, but you know, if you're into Legos, you'll want to add this set to your collection. Check it out. It's Easy Rally, everybody. Number 7 is Curve Chaser. Curve Chaser, so I guess this car likes to go around curves. This is really cool. And so you can see where I put all the different stickers on this one. Some really cool looking designs on this for sure. I like the yellow coloring on this, really pops. And let's just show you. So you can take this one, take the top off this one, and we'll take this one and we'll put it on here. You can mix and match these however you like. And I think this is kind of slick. Now you have 2 completely different cars. You can mix and match and whatnot. This is awesome. And so you can have all kinds of fun with these. And when you're done, if you like to have them back to the way they are packaged, you just swap them back out. Very simple like. Just like this. And there you go, back to normal. Very cool looking car. And last up at number 8 is the Sport Racer. Yes, I like this one. It's got this really cool, like almost like camouflage type coloring on it, and it really goes well with this like fluorescent type green with the yellow. Got some stickers right here with the exhaust pipes going on, some decals, all kinds of cool stuff going on. And if you take like this one here, this is the great thing that I really like about this set, is that you can just pop these things apart and swap them around and give them a different look. Now you can take this one, put this one back on here, like so. And now you have 2 completely new vehicles. So this one's kind of like a sport racer truck. This one's like a monster type truck. And you can just swap all the parts around and have all kinds of fun. This is just a complete win. And there you have it, everyone. Lego Racers, set of 8 fantastic little toys released by McDonald's back in 2009. This set is just wonderful. It's the perfect addition to any Lego collection. You're going to want to add it for sure. I mean, what's not to like? It's trucks, cars, race cars. You can swap them in and out. You can exchange pieces and create all kinds, dozens of different looks and different types of vehicles. This is a complete win. And if you're a Lego collector out there, I know if you're just like me, you have bins and buckets full of Legos. You can do all kinds of extra cool stuff with this set. Thanks for watching, everybody. Take care. We'll see you again next time.